Get ready to be amazed, cause this viral stuff literally everywhere is officially taking over the internet. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it works exactly as advertised. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it saves you so much time. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity right this second. Get ready to be amazed, cause this viral stuff literally everywhere is officially taking